bit. Alright, we're set up for the evening here. A little tricky to get up in here, but we got up in, we're about 25 foot up. So, we'll see. It's big white oak point. We need to stand a bunch of white oaks, hopefully they'll come off this top. And Big Al here can let one eat. First deer comes in range, I feel bad for it. It's gonna get whacked. So I was setting up and I already had a little buck come into about 55, 60 yards. I was still setting up, like my bow was on the ground. Camera arm, I literally just put the arm up and I looked down, so I throw the camera on. I couldn't get any video of him. Plus by then he started like, I don't think he saw me, but then it kind of started working away. So hopefully, I mean, he's a buck on the edge shooting. I didn't get a great look at him. But we'll see what happens. Should be a good day. We got Logan and Roney about a mile. Like straight line mile and a half maybe from it. So we'll see what happens. Should be a good deer on their feet. So cross your fingers and hope for the best. This is right where I had that buck the other week, or last Sunday. He was right here at like 20 yards. So, see what happens. Cross your fingers, hope for the best. So, hopefully, we can get the first buck of the year down. So, stay tuned. Should be a fun evening. Yes, dude. Oh my gosh. All that worry. Dude, she went, like I said, 120 yards. Mega Meat opened her up. Ooh. Oh yeah. Good old gal. Yeah, there we go. Heck yeah.
Number 2. 2 days.
2 does in 2 days and 2 cows.
Holy cow. That's nuts.
Let's see the entrance hole. First out of state deer too, dude.
Uh-huh.
There you go.
First day hunting out of state. She's stiff.
Yeah, she died instantly.
Oh
my gosh, look at that hole. Mega Meat opened her up.
Dude.
Yeah, it's back of lungs. Back of lungs, liver. That's what we're talking about. Heck yeah. Let's go. October 31st, 7 spike. He's dying. Please tell me he's coming right down the road, dude. Are you on him? I can't see him. There's so many trees in the way. I'm on him. Yeah, I'm on him. Dude, he's gonna keep coming. Easy. He's looking. Easy. He's looking for whatever made that noise. He's looking right at us, Hunter. He's looking right at us. Brett. Yes. Heart shot him, dude.
Hunter. Yes, Hunter. He's going down right there.
Dude, he's down right there.
I can't see him.
He's down right there. He's about to fall. He's got wobbly legs.
I think I'm on.
There he goes. There he goes.
Can't tell.
Go down. Dude, we've been on stand for what? 5 freaking minutes? Dude, that is a mega spike. Like, I'm not kidding, like, mega spike.
He's down right.
Dude, I heart shot him. I don't even know. I set my sight for 34 yards and it broke right where it was supposed to. He's done.
Freaking smoked him, dude.
Good.
Alright, ready?
I'm ready. Hey guys.
Leave it there. I'm gonna come get some footage of it. Oh, that is a good looking arrow, my guy.
And let's see exactly how far he went, Patrick.
That is a good looking arrow.
Dude, 19.6 yards.
So, you guys be able to see it here. Right there, that black strap looking thing is. That's the stand.
Well, we got a real hard track
The
job
arrow's
here.
right there.
Swagger.
And the deer is right there. So there's not a lot of blood on the ground though. Not yet, at least.
You didn't have time to bleed. That's a pretty arrow.
Yes.
I don't even see any blood, to be honest. But I could totally be looking in the wrong spot too.
Did he not bleed?
He might not have, dude. He should have though, with that shot. Oh, dude, it's over here.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Right here.
Yeah, I know. I saw it there.
Oh, right through here, dude.
Need to get the Insta teaser.
He's pumped.
That's what happens when you heart shot him. Let's take a look at this whole mega spike. Oh, he's got a brow.
Oh, he does got a brow.
Oh. Oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh,
Kicker too.
dude.
He's a 4-point. Just like I told you. Yes.
That is a cool deer, bro.
That is an awesome deer. Hey, you did say that I was gonna shoot a spike today.
That's not a spike. That's a 4-point. That is a long spike.
Spikes.
The kicker, though,
That is nasty. I thought I might have saw a brow tine.
looks like a good 2-year-old maybe.
That's a yearling. Big yearling.
Don't matter though.
Yes.
My hand is cold.
Oh man.
Dude, that is a.
Here, come on this side of him.
Oh.
All right. Well, one tag punch in New York. This is my I think it's my 4th trip up here now, and came close. And you know what? I wouldn't have it any other way. I had a bigger buck in front of me opening day up here. But you know what? I like them cool bucks. And this is about as cool as you can get.
Yeah.
I mean,
cool deer.
foot-long spikes, big kicker there, solid brow tine. Just, you cannot beat that. And sitting, with your best friend in the timber on his 2 weeks back from the military. You
Got
can't
what,
beat it.
4
I filmed
days till I
him.
leave?
Yeah, I filmed him shoot a buck, well, a week ago.
Not quite a
About
week.
5 days ago.
Yeah.
He shot a good buck, or, you know,
Pretty much that.
beauty of a buck in PA. You know.
That's legal in PA.
This is legal in PA. Now, I would have never known he was legal in PA. Unless, I mean, I guess if I looked closer, but I wasn't being picky. I saw this and I was like, shooter.
I didn't even see that from the stand. That was just a mega spike.
Dude, I am jacked up. As you could tell from my reaction in the tree.
Yeah, man. Congrats.
Thank you, man. So,
Now the hard work begins.
we got some work to do.
Yeah.
Get some pictures of it.